Silvers. Welcome to my channel. Now guys, I just came from my my Facebook profile. I invited some of my friends over. Welcome. If you have clicked on my link, thank you for coming over. I know you don't know much about me, and if this is your first time here, anybody, this is your first time here, take a look at and browse through all my videos. Alright, I have a lot of videos. I have over 250 videos. You can take a look at them. You like them, leave your likes, your comments, then subscribe to my channel. Wait a few minutes before you subscribe, okay? And then after that, you're gonna get fresh videos from me every day. Now to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. I thank you for your likes, your comments, and I'm excited. I'm excited because you guys are engaging with me. And anybody that engage with me, I will engage with you. So guys, I'm so excited. I want to tell you a little bit about me. I've been online. I started this channel actually at the end of June, and back then I only had 14 subscribers when I met my mentor, Wesley Virgin, and I had 50 videos. So I encourage those that came to the program, you joined Wesley Virgin's YouTube ad program to build your watch time hours, to build your 1,000 subscribers. You can do it, guys. Keep making videos, keep branding yourself, and you're gonna get there. Okay, so some of my videos will actually share with you how you can get your hours quicker, your subscribers quicker, but you gotta watch my videos, guys, in order to understand it. I also want to congratulate Vivian, because I think Vivian understood what I was trying to say, and she left a comment and said, wow, I never thought about hiring somebody. And I believe she did, and I told her that I can share that with everybody. If you can hire people from Fiverr. You can hire anyone to do your organic traffic. You want to get there fast. If you got less than a year, and your year is very short to reach your 4,000 watch time hours, I recommend you guys get paid advertising done organically. And you can do all this. You can find out more information if you just go to Fiverr. Fiverr has everything. And if you hire somebody from overseas, it's actually cheaper to hire someone overseas, okay, than people from the United States, because our U.S. money is much more valuable to their money. So you actually get it cheaper if you hire somebody from Fiverr. All right, but I'm here, I'm relaxed, and I'm grateful. I give praise to the Most High God, for He's the greatest, because the greatest thing ever happened to me is finding my mentor. And if you want to know who he is Wesley Virgin, $1 billion virgin, Wesley $1 billion virgin. Go ahead, take a look at his channel. Go ahead, click on my link below on the Genie script. If you don't know about the Genie script, that's the Genie that's the script he used to help him become a millionaire. So go ahead and click on that, and you're gonna know more about it. I'm excited. Right now there's a discount off his course. There's like 9 modules. There's homework with it, and it's only $34 discounted. So instead of $37, now it is $34 discounted. So I'm excited. Anyway, thank you for coming over to my channel. Thank you if you're my Facebook friends, if you clicked on the link and came over to my channel, then thank you for coming over. That way you get to know who I am, and I will engage back with you. I will engage back with anyone. So get excited, guys. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Oh my gosh. Hi everyone, I'm mindset coach Laudiaann Silvers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, listen to my videos, leave your comments and likes, and as you click that subscribe button, you will see the notification bell in the corner of the right top corner of your laptop or whatever you're looking at, your phone. You're going to get the latest videos that I post. I do post videos every day, and I'm so excited today because I want to share with you my review with the Genie script program. This is Wesley Virgin's newest mind hacks, the newest mindset program that will actually totally change your life. I just went through this course a few hours ago, and it took me almost the whole night. I actually dedicated myself to go through all the modules, all the audios, and do all my homework. And just going through it this one time, actually, I have learned a lot. I've taken lots of notes. I actually was so impressed how it was laid out, so detailed. I'm so excited about this program because I know I am seeing already results on day one. And I could see if I do this every day for 30 days, my brain is going to be so transformed by these new mind hacks that he has put together. And I'm going to see much more results in my life. I mean, he's already changed my life with the Overnight Millionaire course. But this course actually is a bomb. It's amazing. It's more easy to understand, and it's more detailed because he deals with you as an individual, how to meditate, how to do it correctly, and he actually takes you by step about your intentions. What do you want? And everything is so laid out. I'm so amazed by this program. You need to check it out, and it's only $47. No other mentor would actually allow this price at this low price for you to get it. This is more powerful than $47. It's more worth than $47. It's worth more than thousands of dollars. I mean, other mentors would have to pay a higher price from getting this product. And Wesley is the best mentor in the whole wide world. He has a heart. He has a kind heart. He believes everyone needs to totally get this. He wants everyone to be successful. He has that kind of a heart. He don't want to have anyone be broke. He wants everyone to excel in life and to be successful. And that's what he does. He turns people's lives around. He makes them millionaires. And I'm so grateful. I am a millionaire. I'm part of his life. I'm his student, and I'm excelling. And this course has actually enhanced me to do much more better, take more action, be more bold, and to get out of my comfort zone even more and more. And you're going to see me actually in 30 days. I'm going to do another review of this video of this course. I actually want to make a video again of the results in 30 days and see where you will see me at that time. And you'll get a review from me. I should be manifesting things in my life. And I am so thankful for this course. Thank you so much, Wesley.